in the basement at my grandma's house. She's got this vintage Kenmore 11 freezer, probably from the 70s. They had it in their old house too. There is no discernible model sticker, unfortunately. I'm sure it's... Fuck. This is why I don't go digging into other people's shit. But anyway, yeah, she's got it stocked full of food, so I have no clue where it is. Oh, but she does have this vintage freezer in her basement, and as far as I know, it's never been serviced. Still have these. She could use some new agitator dogs, but still got them. There's the dishwasher. There's the info. Still has the same fridge, same stove, and then this is the microwave that she has now. So, yeah, that's the dishwasher. Replaced a Frigidaire that was lasted like a year or two, and then it broke, and that itself replaced the GE in the last video. So yeah, that's an update.